Hello everyone, welcome back to another sound test. Today we're actually going to do a test of the Mauve switch in a full board. In the last comparison video it was just 1-to-1, and depending on the location of the standoffs in a hot swap board, the sound may sound deeper or more tinny, and that ends up being a great reflection of what the switch will sound like in your full keyboard. So here we have Mauves in the entire board, and they're freshly lubed with 25G0, lightly lubed, hopefully to result in a thockier sound. Keep in mind that since this is a polycarbonate board with a thick 4mm integrated polycarbonate plate, it may sound different from your board, but the best way to use this video is to watch the Alpaca sound test right after or side by side to see if the sound is better or worse. From my ears from testing prior, it sounds very, very similar. I'm going to be hard pressed to hear the differences. So let's go ahead and do the sound test.